Today we're going over how to run a test strip to determine what time you need to print your negatives at. Once you've chosen an image that you want to print, you're going to go and clean that negative, and then you'll bring it back and put into the negative carrier. You want to make sure that you slide it in, shiny side up, and that your negative is underneath those 4 silver tabs so that it's held well in place. You're going to close your negative carrier and place it in your enlarger. When you do that, you're going to start to see your image shining down. And you will need to fix it so that it is sized properly the way that you want it to be cropped. So you're going to adjust the height of your enlarger and also your focusing knob. If you're printing horizontal or vertical, you simply move the direction of the easel. You want to make sure that the entire white part of the easel has an image fully filling it. If I printed right here, I've got a black bar and a white bar before my image actually starts, so I would want to resize that. Now I actually want to print horizontally. After you've focused it to sight, you're going to use the grain enlarger, the thing that looks like the microscope, and you're going to put your hand on the focusing knob and focus it until you see the fuzz or clear dots. That means that you're focused and you can actually see the grain on your negative, and it will print a clear image for you if you took it focused. I'm going to turn my light off. I've already determined my intervals based on my contact sheet, and my contact sheet looked good at about 6 seconds. So I'm going to divide that by 3 or 4, and I'm going to take 1 second intervals when I do my test strip. So I've gotten out a small sheet of paper. I'm covering all but about 1 inch of my paper with my cardboard. So 1 inch of paper is sticking out. I'm going to expose it for that 1 second. When my timer goes off, I simply move my cardboard back another inch, expose it again, and I continue this process, exposing a new section for my intervals, or in this case for 1 second each time, until I get to the end of my paper. And now I process my paper to look at my test strip.